Hello YouTube. This is the second video I'm going to be covering on my mini console build. This one is going to cover the top assembly of the mini console and also the carriage assembly for this model of the mini console. So this is the top of the mini console here, and what we got to do is we have to assemble some idler bearings for the belt to wrap around and roll over, and then also the aluminum extrusion, how we slid it onto the base. We're going to do the same to the top, except this one's only one thick. Let's start off M3. Thread that on there. The nuts are going to be just kind of used as spacers for the flange bearings here. These are the flange bearings. You can see the flange one side. That's what we're going to kind of use to catch the belt so it doesn't slip off of these idlers. And then we're going to face the bearing, the next bearing, the other way, so that we create this lip for the bearing to, or for the belt to sit in. This can get a little tricky here. You're going to fit the nut right in between that space in there. Right in between there is where the final nut's going to go. So forgive me if the video gets a little poor here. Might have to shave a little bit of plastic off. Now there's a hole after the bolt catches, after you finally squeeze it in there and the bolt catches, you gotta thread it in there the rest of the way. Tighten that down. And this gives your belt here a nice little rolling area to idle. Now we need to attach the aluminum extrusion here to the frame. There you go. So now we have our attached aluminum extrusion to the top part of our assembled idle bearing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach, well, we're going to do this same thing I did 3 more times, but for the sake of time, I've already pre-assembled mine. I also forgot to mention, what you're also going to want to do is on the exterior here, you're going to want to slide some nuts. This is so what we're going to do now is we're going to fit the whole assembly together. And there we have our completed top with the idler bearings here. Extrusion. And there we go.